Lot number 141 is a 2016 Chevy Tahoe police package vehicle. This one has heavy collision damage to the front passenger corner. It does nothing. It appears to be missing some parts. It looks like it's missing fuses and relays. It's missing the positive battery terminal. I connected my jump box onto these wires, but I don't get no power at all inside. So true miles are unknown. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It does nothing. No power reaching the dashboard. It's got a second battery here. I tried applying power to that and still no power. It's missing the cover for the fuses. It's missing the oil cap. It's missing the air box or air intake. It's been out of service for over a year and it's been sitting here in this field. It's got all matching steel wheels, but the tires look dry rotted. The passenger front wheel is bent or missing. It's bent, it's blown. The axle is broken. It's got heavy damage to this corner here. The frame may be straight. The engine does not appear to have been affected by the accident. Passenger door is damaged. The fender, the hood, bumper, grille, headlights are missing. Driver's side fender looks like it's out of alignment as well. Driver door looks good. Driver rear door has a broken handle, does not open. Rear quarter panel looks good. Rear bumper looks good. It's got a full-size tow hitch. The liftgate appears to be in good shape, but it does have drilled holes from emergency lights that have been removed. Passenger side rear quarter panel looks good and the rear door looks good, but it does not open. None of these doors open. The liftgate is already open on the lock position. If not, we couldn't get that open either. And the cargo area looks good. Side panels have screw holes from emergency lights that have been removed. Neither one of the back doors open, so portions of the cage remain in place, but all the glass has been removed for safety purposes. Headliner looks good. The trim on the liftgate, it's sitting in here in the cargo area. I'll show you the interior. All right, the driver door panel appears to be loose. The armrest is broken. The driver's seat has a plastic trim broken here on the side. Driver's seat is torn. Passenger seat looks good. The dashboard is not cracked, but you can see all of this panel up here is hanging. It comes with a metal center console and none of the airbags deployed. None of the airbags deployed. It's got a little blemish right there on the dash. None of the other doors open. So that's all I can show you from the interior. I'll show you the passenger side as close as I can get here because it's kind of tight. Yeah, it's the passenger door and fender. The rear one looks like it's reusable. All right, so there it is. It's got heavy collision damage. Obviously needs to be picked up on a tow truck. Needs to be a flatbed tow truck. It's lot number 141. 2016 Chevy Tahoe. Unknown miles. 5.3 liter V8. Engine, transmission, and exhaust system appear to be in place. Good luck.